Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add text behind a person using InShot video editor. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my InShot video editor on my mobile phone. And first of all, I'm going to create new project. So I'm going to click on video and select new. And I'm going to choose, I'm going to select this video. Click on the check mark to import the video, and I'm going to add text. So I'm going to click on text and then select text, and I'm just going to add night like this, and we can zoom in. And if you want to change the font, just click on this option and you can choose the font that you like. I'm just going to choose this one. Click on the check mark and make the text align with your video. Okay, I'm just going to cut the video to make the process faster. Okay, now it's time to export this video. So I'm going to click on export and then select export and hold on. Now the video is being exported. And after that, we're going to create new project and import the video we have just saved. Okay, click on the check mark and then I'm going to select PIP here. Okay, and we're going to add the original video. Wait, okay, this is the original video. And then I'm going to click on this autofill button to fit the screen. And wait guys, let me cut the video. Okay, and click on the second video. Go to the cut menu to remove the background of this video. I'm going to select cut it. Okay, and we can wait until 100%. Okay, as you can see guys, it's still loading. You can monitor the progress here, but I'm just going to click on the check mark. Okay, and it's still processing. Okay, and I'm going to play it to show you. Okay, and as you can see that the text has been edited to behind this person. Okay, just wait until 100%. Alright. Okay guys, and that's all the way to add text behind a person using InShot video editor. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, like or comments, and also subscribe to the channel. Bye!